On question number 8, I'm trying to solve using the elimination method. So let's try to eliminate the x's. So I would like to turn this 3x into a negative 4x so that it would cancel out with this 4x, but I can't really do that. Or I would like to turn this 4x into a negative 3x to cancel out with this 3x, but I can't really do that either. So I need to turn these actually into a third number, and this process is kind of like the process for finding the LCD with fractions, so the lowest common denominator. It's actually the lowest common multiple, what we're doing. So the first number that I can turn 3 and 4 both into using multiplication is 12. So I want to multiply the top equation by 4 and the bottom equation by 3. So that will turn them both into 12. Now I actually need to pick one of these to be negative so that one of them is a negative 12 so that they will actually cancel out. So let's make the top one negative. So I need to distribute and this will be negative 12x plus 20y is equal to negative 44. 12x plus 9y is equal to 15. So if we add these up vertically, we get 29y is equal to negative 29. So our x's eliminated. Okay, so I'm ready to divide both sides by 29, and we get y is equal to negative 1. So now our final step is to plug this negative 1 back into one of the original equations. So I'm going to pick the bottom equation, and I'm going to plug negative 1 in for y, and then solve for x. And we get x is equal to 2. So the final answer will be 2 comma negative 1.